All right, so our process to have ChatGPT write content for us is multi-stepped. So the first thing we're going to do is generate something like this content planner. Now, I will be clear, this content planner in this format is rather formal, right? So this would be something that we generate for a client. We would not generate a document like this if we're using ChatGPT, but we are going to use a lot of the same information and we're just going to copy it somewhere, a Word doc, something like that, if we're using, even if we're just using ChatGPT ourselves. So we're going to go ahead and type in the target search into Google. That's how we start doing this, because remember, Google is an open book test. So then we're going to open up the first few pages that are actually ranking, because we want to mimic our content based on what's actually working, okay? So these are the first few pages. We're going to do a quick word count on these pages. We can do that with Page Optimizer Pro. We can do it with other word count tools, but we're basically just going to get the word count of these pages that's already ranking. So we can see we did that already at 1,600 words. Now the overall content topic, that we're going to base on what the topics are for the content that's already ranking. So we can see it's talking about outdoor oasis, backyard of your dreams. So that's where we came up with the motorized pergola, functional luxury at the touch of a button. Because motorized pergola is obviously a very luxury product, okay? So recommended title tag, this we can actually leave blank. We'll have ChatGPT do that. And the meta description, same thing, we'll have ChatGPT do that. So these competitive H2, H3, H4 tags, basically what we're going to do is copy the H2 tags for our competition. So we're going to copy that one, we're going to copy that one, we're going to copy this one, we're going to copy this one, go to this other one. I don't want notifications from you. We're going to copy that. We're going to copy this one. We're going to copy this. So functional luxury, we're going to copy that one. So here we're just getting an idea for what are the H2, H3, H4 tags that Google is currently rewarding. Okay, and then people also ask for that. We're going to come back here and we're going to see if we can find the people also ask section. And sometimes it's not shown. And when that happens, we're just going to add FAQ, and there's the people also ask section. So that's what we're looking for. We really want this people also ask section. The reason, you probably know, these are questions that Google sees as highly, highly relevant to this particular search query. So we definitely want to grab it, and clicking it, opening and closing it expands the section. So we're just going to grab all of these. We're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it into this people also ask section. Boom. All right, cool. Now searches related to, that's going to be at the bottom. So we can copy some of those related searches. Stop bunching around. There you go. So if we can copy some of these related searches, Google image subtopics. So this is another one that is kind of weird, but it still works. If we hit images, and here we'll remove the FAQ. Images. Here are what we're looking for. These are the Google image subtopics, which again, Google sees as highly relevant to this particular search query. Okay, now keyword variations, LSI keywords, for those we're going to use Page Optimizer Pro. I'm not going to show you that here. I'm going to show you that in the Page Optimizer Pro video, so don't worry about these for now. We don't actually need these to get ChatGPT to write a quality article. We'll add these in later after ChatGPT has already written them. Okay, and the authority outbound links, the references, the bio box, internal links, again, all of that is more information for the client. So that information, what we collected, target length, H2 tags, people also ask section, related searches, and Google image subtopics, as well as the overall content topic, is what we need in order to get writing for ChatGPT.